Hey guys, welcome back to another Crane Forum video. In today's video, we're talking about a free phone promotion that Metro by T-Mobile has going on. Of course, it's tax time and all the carriers, special prepaid carriers, are trying to attract you to them. So let's go ahead and see what Metro by T-Mobile has to offer. Sorry if my voice still sounds a little weird. I'm still recovering from, this cold, I guess. But let's get into it, guys, and we'll talk about it. We'll read the fine print, the requirements, and everything that it requires. So, of course, it's not going to be this, and this is going to be for the iPhone 11. Still really good, popular phone, really nice. So it says, get iPhone 11 on us. You're yours instantly when you switch to the $60 a month unlimited plan. So right there, it's telling you it's going to require the 60 unlimited plan, guys. You will need this plan to get it, so you cannot get anything cheaper. Shop in store or see. So it says in store only. So you cannot get this online. You cannot get it through the website. You have to go into a store, which is kind of nice. Like I said, I always like that they do this to kind of attract customers to the local store and to bring in more business. So it says via instant rebate with eligible port of $60 a month rate plan and ID. So right there, like I said, you will need to go into a local store, that participating store that has them in stock. You will get an instant rebate. So if the phone is $500, you will get a discount off of it and make it at $0. And you have to port in your number from a competing carrier. It cannot be Metro or anything T-Mobile related, because they're trying to get the competition, so it wouldn't really help them if you're already a T-Mobile customer and something like that. You have to be on the 60 unlimited plan, and you have to show an ID. So let's look at the full details or terms. This could be, the fine print. So let's get an iPhone 11 on us. Pretty cool. So like I said, Metro does have really good promotions. A limited time offer, subject to change. So guys, they can cancel this and get away, they can cancel this anytime they want. So, if they say it'll end March 30th, they might be able to cancel it the next day if they want to. So limited time offer, subject to change. So while supplies last at participating Metro by T-Mobile stores. So not all the stores will do it here in my city. There are only a couple stores, like 4 or 5, but they have been closing them. I don't know if you've seen the news. If you follow the channel, then you would know that T-Mobile's been closing quite a bit of agent and location stores. So it says while supplies last and participating Metro by T-Mobile stores. So make sure your stores do have these in stock and are participating in this deal. Purchase iPhone 11 64 gig and receive an instant rebate off the full retail price. So like I said, this phone I believe retails for $499. You will be able to get it for free, an instant rebate. No mail-in rebate required. They just give it to you right in the store. So applicable taxes due at sale. Validation of name, address, and date of birth provided through the independent database, and presentation of merchant identification required. So you will have to show an ID, a valid ID that has basically your name, your address, date of birth, and I guess that matches the independent database they have. So which kind of crazy. I don't know why they need all that. I guess to limit burner phones or something. One-time activation fee may be required. I believe the activation fees are $25 if I'm not mistaken. So remember, taxes are due at the time of sale. It goes, and those taxes go off the original price, so they will go off that $500. And the activation fee may be required. Excludes phone numbers currently active on T-Mobile or active on Metro by T-Mobile in the past 180 days. So if you've had Metro by T-Mobile or T-Mobile active in the last 180 days, you cannot use it. So if, let's say you're 2 months into it, you just switch from Metro, it's not going to work. You have to have a number from another carrier more than 180 days. It says limited to phone instant rebates per household. Rebate applies as credit against regular purchase price and has no cash value. So they cannot give you the cash value of it. It just goes to the next. It goes towards the value of the phone. And of course, you can see the associate for complete details. So right off the bat, you have to be on the 60 unlimited plan. You have to port your number. You have to have an ID. And of course, you have to pay sales tax and activation fees or anything like that. Only 2 per household. You have to port a number, and it cannot be Metro. It cannot have been with Metro by T-Mobile or T-Mobile in the last 180 days, which that's nice. It does prevent people from just hopping from carrier to carrier. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and see the iPhone. This is the phone. This page is a little glitched up, so I already have this one kind of up. It says get one on us when you switch, and of course there's details. Black 64 gig of memory. They do have them in stock, it looks like. That's online, but here it is, guys. If you get a new number, you still get a discount. So it's $500, but you will get it for $250 if you just get a new number. Now, if you bring your own number, you can get it for free. And right there it says, new customers bringing an existing phone number will need to visit a Metro by T-Mobile store to complete the purchase. So you cannot do it online. You have to go to a local store to get this deal. And of course, you can check their coverage. Yeah, they got 5G nationwide, but their coverage is not the best usually in rural America. They are better in the city. Of course, some specifications. They have the dual 12 megapixel ultra wide and wide cameras with night mode. 12 megapixel true depth front camera, 10 hours of talk time, 2.5 days of standby. It's not full HD. This is the Liquid Retina HD, so 6.1 inch, 1792 by 828 pixels, so not full 1080p. It's like an LCD screen. They call it the Liquid Retina HD, so not full HD. Bluetooth 5.0, fast charging capable. You need, of course, the power adapter that's sold separately. Face ID, which is real nice, and it does deal with Apple Pay. Spatial audio, Dolby Atmos, wireless charging, faster Wi-Fi, gigabit class LTE, and audio sharing. So pretty cool. Does shoot in 4K, beautiful portraits, sweeping landscapes, and all that good stuff. Of course, this does have the A13 Bionic chip, which is good for gaming, augmented reality, and photography. So it does have really good stuff. Like I said, of course, at 6.1 inch Liquid Retina, it's not going to look like if you had the Pro model, but still a really good deal. So not bad at all, guys. Additional stuff, of course, like I said, the A13 Bionic chip, still really powerful. Lightning, built-in rechargeable battery, 4 gigs of RAM. This is a 64 gig model. Here's all the frequency bands if you guys are looking for it. But overall, I think this is a really good deal, of course. You do just get the iPhone and the cable. You will need the charging adapter, which, like they're saying, is sold separately to get the fast charging. But overall, guys, this is a nice way to attract customers to Metro by T-Mobile. What do you guys think? I think this is a deal especially if you're looking for your first iPhone and you have good coverage with T-Mobile in your area. This is a good thing. Me personally, like I said, it's not the best in my area, so I wouldn't really get it. But maybe if Cricket or Verizon or something like that had a deal like this, I would get it. So thank you for watching, guys. Please come rate, subscribe. More tax deals coming your way. So Dragonic Warfare signing off. Sorry I made this video. It's actually dinner time. And like I said, I'm kind of recovering. So thank you.